Hey folks, thanks for watching my video. I'm Dave. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and smash that like button. Love to hear your comments down below too. So this is a step sum puzzle. This is our second series of lessons on how to do them, and this is going to go really quickly. First of all, step sums, they're a new kind of puzzle. They're similar to Sudoku in that you have to use one of every number. In this case, for this puzzle, there has to be the numbers 1 through 10, but they cannot be repeated. So basically, I'm just going to show you really quick how we do this. Oh, and also the numbers have to add up. So, you know, this whole row has to equal 22. This one has to equal 27. So let's start. Now this is a level 4. This is a medium range. There's level 3, which is, you know, this big. And then level 4 is, of course, this big. And then there's another which has 5 on the bottom. Those are hard. But we'll start this one. And if you notice, on this row, there's a gimme. I mean, there's only one thing to fill in, and it has to equal 3. So there's a 2, so that's got to be a 1. And similarly, on this chunk of it, you know, we need 16. We have 10, so obviously that's 6. But after that, what do? Well, let's take this next column. Let me get that off of there. We have this next column that has to equal 14. So, okay, let's do that. So we already have 1, so now we need 13. Well, to make 13, we have to use the numbers 1 through 10, so how about 3 and 10? Well, we can't really do 3 and 10 because the 10's right here. We can't do 1 and 12 because it only goes up to 10. We can't do 2 and 12 because there's already a 2, and it doesn't, you know, you can't use a 12. Okay, so we can't use, for 13, we can't use a 3 and 10 like we mentioned because the 10's already there. Well, what about a 4 and a 9? Well, we can try it, but first, also, we can't use a 5 and 6 because the 6 is there. So we know it's going to be a 4 and a 9 no matter what. So we've eliminated all the other possibilities. So let's plug this in and see what happens. Okay, so now let's see if we can, whoops, and we said 9 there. Yeah, I don't know how to type or give videos for that matter. So we have 1 and 4, which makes 5, and 9, which makes 14. So far, so good, and we haven't reused any numbers. But now here's a problem. We have 10 here. We would have to put a 12 here, but we can't use the number 12. We can only go up to 10. So apparently 4 and 9 doesn't work. So here it has to be 9 and 4. Mathematically, there's just no other way that it'll work. So that's good. We have it figured out. Now we can come back here and figure out the 27. So we've got 8 and 4 is 12, plus 10 is 22 from 27. That means that 5's left over. Piece of cake. But now, to do this 20, that's going to be hard because we have to fill in 2 boxes. Oh, but here's a row that already has all of them filled out except for 1. Well, 9 and 6, see why you need math, that makes 15. 15 less than 22 is what? It's 7. So now, you could just probably look real quick and realize that the only one missing is a 3. So we'll put that up there. But let's just do it to make sure. So we have 3 and 2 is 5, and 7 is 12, and 8 is 20. There you go. So that's how you do a level 4 step sum. Love to hear your comments down below. If you have any questions, please raise your hand. You have to realize if you're raising your hand, I can't see you raising your hand, but it's still okay that you raised your hand. Thanks for raising your hand, showing support. Put your hand down. Okay, yeah. I was going to do stand-up, but I guess you have to be funny. All right, gotta run. Thanks. Bye.